Hey, what's up, fam? Just got off work, and I know I haven't made a video in so long. You guys are probably all like wondering what's going on, but here's the car. It's still here, it's still alive, not broken. Someone commented a little bit ago like, oh, is it blown up on one of your videos? On one of my videos, and but no, she's here, she's looking beautiful. But I did get a Honda Grom. I'll show you it right now. No fancy edit or anything, but here's the introduction to this is my new daily. It's a Honda Grom. I got it for about, well, I got it for exactly $3,600 from a dealer. Registration fees, taxes, all that paid in that price. And yeah, I got this thing. Super hyped on it. It gets like 140 miles to the gallon, so it only holds 1 gallon of fuel, but 100 something miles to the gallon. Bike's super fun. It's got a little mini dual piston caliper up front. I don't really know anything about bikes, but what it did do is, as you can see, this thing has like a cat or something, or muffler, and then another little resonator right here. That's a stock exhaust. Here, let me start it up to show you guys. Here, let's show you guys what this sounds like. I bought this bike used. It had 650 miles when I bought it. I think now it has like 777, something like that. Oh, I actually put in a new clutch and everything while you guys were gone. Maybe I'll make that video. I'm so lazy. I did the clutch on this car, did the clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, throwout bearing, pilot bearing, everything. I did that on this car. And then I also did a tubular subframe. So if you want a video on that, just let me know and I could make a video on that, because I took videos, I just didn't really edit them or have the motivation to make them. But yeah, back onto this thing. I got a new exhaust for it. I don't know if I'll put it over here. This right here is an eBay exhaust. Alright, so you gotta keep in mind, this is all eBay. And first impressions so far, as with everything in the wrapping and everything, I really like it so far. This thing looks sick. The welds look sick. Ooh, the resonator or muffler or whatever it's called. So this doesn't come with instructions, I think. I think there's no instructions. But I haven't looked up a YouTube video how to install this, but I think it should be pretty easy. I'm just gonna unbolt all this stuff, and hopefully after unbolting that, I'll be able to be like, oh, this goes here, this goes here. Oh, this thing's sick. Obviously fake carbon fiber. But it was only $80 off eBay. Oh, what? What is inside there? Oh, I see. There's a bolt right there for the silencer that holds it in. Oh, that's sick. This thing has a silencer just in case it's too loud. Or I want to go incognito. Alright, let's put this puppy on. Here comes Natalie from wherever she went. Yeah, I got everything off. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. That's it. And this thing falls off. But I'm just gonna slowly bolt this up first, and then whatever goes on here, I'll just do everything from this end back. What I'm gonna do is put this puppy on here. Okay. I don't know what this rubber thing's for. I'm guessing it's to dampen some kind of vibration. Oh, just kidding. It obviously goes on here. Wait. Maybe not. Maybe not. Alright guys, this is what I think it was supposed to look like the whole time. I wasn't even supposed to go on this part, but I was trying to get it. Anyways, we got it. So I'm guessing this is what is gonna go on here. So this is all pretty self-explanatory. Oh wait, yeah, like that. This is why I kind of want to mock up everything before I tighten down the bolts, so it doesn't put too much stress on anything. They gave me short springs and long springs. As you can tell, this is a short one, easy to bend. Big one, a lot harder to bend, which means these are going to be stronger. This is also thicker than this one. Is that how it goes? That looks pretty ugly. Okay, so what I ended up doing is just using the smaller springs. As you can tell, they don't look that good and they're not very lined up, but these were so hard to pull apart that it was moving the whole entire bike while I was holding it like this and pulling on it, and it would pull the whole entire bike. I'm gonna tighten everything up now. Let me show you. So this is what we got. We got this bolt and that. Then we got these two things. And we got this holding up that, and that is it. That is it. The silencer is still in. So we'll try it with the silencer in, and then we'll take the silencer out, see how I like it. I'll probably end up taking the silencer out, but all set up, ready to go. Let's start her up. Let's see what it sounds like. This is with the silencer in. Well, for one thing, here's how it looks. Hey, it's quiet with the silencer. Wow, that is really hot. Just want to see if there's any leaks that I can feel. Not that I can feel. Oh, it pops. Oh my gosh. Fiberglass just came out of the muffler. And then spin her out. Whoa. Is that it? So this is a silencer on a bike, I guess. Alright, so I guess this is the loud exhaust. Oh yeah, that's louder for sure. Oh, I could feel air. It's also hitting right there. It's hitting right there. And I could feel an exhaust leak right here. I just took out, this was the silencer part that was stuck in here like this. It was stuck in there like that. So I just popped that out, and I'm gonna put this part back in to just kind of like, just to give it, you know, it might help. I don't want it too loud. It's pretty loud right now, but I'm just gonna put this in like that. Keep this part out of it. This is what was silencing it. There she is. She's in. As you guys can see, this whole muffler part doesn't fit. I took it off and flipped it around, put it back in, still didn't fit. So I'm guessing this has to do with something. I don't know where it'd go. Alright, this is the final product. I took the time and I took the small ones off and I put the big, thick springs on. It took me forever to get these on. These things are so hard to get on, like, it's pissing me off, but finally got it on with all this stuff. This is what helped me get it on. Silencer is out, but I kept the silencer housing. I just took out the internal part of the silencer, which is this. So that's gone, and now I think it sounds good right now. Bigger springs are on, it sounds really good. Everything's hooked up here. Sick eBay. Alrighty guys, I'm all sweaty and probably gross looking, but thank you for watching. Let me know if you want to see videos on this thing. I just don't have the motivation, you know? I love this car, but I don't have motivation to make videos on it. Anyway, here's the Grom. Hope you guys like it. This is my new daily. I like doing skids in it, and one day I'm gonna try to learn how to wheelie, but as of now, this is my first mod and probably my only one for a while. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Chopped.